How to design your product in the correct paper size. In this video, we'll explain what a net format and a gross format are, which paper sizes are optimal for us in our printing house, and what happens if an incorrect size is specified in your files. A net format is the size of your product page after trimming, or the final size. Trim marks indicate the trim edges. A gross format is a net format with bleed. A bleed is the area which extends beyond the edge of the expected final size. We prefer a bleed of 3 mm in the case of blocks or insides. The bleed will be cut off in the binding process, and the net format will be the final size of the book. A net format is the elementary size specified in an order by the customer. It is the size of the book block or inside. The first value represents the width, and the second, the height. The net size is specified when designing the layout of a cover or dust jacket. In order to make a layout, go to TOTEM.COM.PL and click on Cover Generator in the top right corner. You can also get a layout by email straight from our customer service department. Which size to choose for your product? If you're at an early stage of your design, we suggest getting in touch with our customer service, where you'll find advice to help you decide on the best size and binding for your product. You can also call us using the call page or leave your number and we'll get back to you. The most common and optimal sizes used in our printing house are the following. A 5, that is 148 by 210 millimeters. A 4, that is 210 by 297 millimeters. And B5, that is 165 by 235 millimeters. Please note that the common B5 paper size is different from the one we use. The 165 by 235 millimeter paper size, recommended by us, is an optimal solution to achieve the most cost-effective printing of paper, which makes the price more attractive. Remember, always use the net format provided with the price calculation from our customer service department. You will find this information in the email we sent you. Using a wrong size will result in recalculation of the price. This may increase the cost of publication and make the production process longer. Our video tutorial, Bleed-In Files to be Printed, will help you create the right size using various graphic design programs. To watch it, click the link at the top right corner of the window or in the video description section. If you don't know how many pages you need, contact us and we will work it out and tell you the right number for the type of binding and paper of your choice. If you are ordering a hardcover, you will want to watch our video, How to Correctly Design a Wraparound Allowance for a Cover in Hardcover Binding. To watch the tutorial, click the link at the top right corner of the window or in the video description section. In another video, we will carefully explain how to set the margins for the inside of your publication. You can find more practical tips on our website, TOTEM.COM.PL. Click on Guide in the main menu to find the Video Tutorials tab. We hope our tips make the design and preparation of files for printing easier. We wish you only successful projects.